That's how the tables and chairs are going to look. So cute. And then I have a little bar area. It says, come on Barbie, let's go party. Hey guys, so I am prepping for my daughter's 21st birthday. If you have been watching my videos, hopefully you guys are liking them and you guys are getting ideas of a Barbie themed birthday party. But I'm going to show you guys really quick some of the stuff I bought on Amazon to decorate for the party. This time I'm not really going to show you guys the whole video where I'm decorating. I think I'm just going to go at the end and then show you guys once it's all done. And let me know what you guys think in the comments down below if you guys like this stuff. And most of the stuff I got it on Amazon. So let me show you guys. If you guys have been watching my videos, you guys did see that I made a life-size Barbie doll box. I think it's awesome. And so I ended up getting this color for my table covers. It is like a hot pink, but in the description, they do call it a fuchsia color. Super, super cute. And this is the color that I'm gonna put on all the tables. And this is the perfect color for the Barbie theme party if you guys are looking to have one, because it matches perfectly with the theme. Then I also got this sequence runner. Let me show you guys. Super adorable, and it is really shimmery, so it also goes with the Barbie theme. And this one, I just got them in, I believe they're just pink, and they come like this. But also super cute, and it makes your party look glitzy and glam just like Barbie. So I will be placing these on top of this, and look at how beautiful those two colors look together. Every time I'm getting ready for a party, I look a hot mess. Hopefully when the party's here, I get to get ready. Even though it's for a 21st birthday, I always like to get the kids snacks and like a little goodie bag. So these are just like the little fruit gummies, and they're Barbie themed. So I will be putting these inside of a goodie bag for all the little kids and maybe even the big kids, because sometimes I think they're not gonna want this stuff, but it ends up being them that want the most. Next, guys, I got this little box, and these are cake toppers. They're just like little balloons, all different sizes. So you just get to decorate your cake however you like, placing the little balloons on the cake. So I'll show you guys when I decorate the cake how a Barbie cake, how I decorate her Barbie themed cake. But yeah, I also ordered this on Amazon. So yeah, guys, make sure you guys are keeping up with the videos, and if you guys haven't, make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe so you guys could see everything I do. I've been trying to cut the videos shorter and make a bunch of them instead of making one long video on the theme, so you guys can kind of get an idea of some of the stuff. Let me see what else I got. I also ordered this roll of paper. It's just pink paper. I am gonna wrap one of her presents with it, and then the rest, since it's pretty big, I'm going to use it on the windows to decorate outside, and I'll show you guys that as well once I'm done. I also got these little stickers, and they're also Barbie themed. Cute, super adorable. There's just a bunch of stickers, and I'm gonna put these with the goodie bags for the little ones. I also got these, and that's the number 21, and these do light up, so I'm probably gonna use these to decorate the cake table. I'm not sure yet, but super cute. And then I also got these balloons, and they're like actual disco ball balloons. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna use these yet, but if I do, like I said again, I will show you guys. I also bought these letters. They're super cute. They definitely give me Barbie vibes. And this is a K, A, a Y. They were all wrapped. I already unwrapped them. An L and another A, and that obviously spells Kayla. That's my daughter's name. So another thing that I bought is these little pink sashes. I already had some from the video that I showed you guys where I decorated for is it a boy or a girl, and I really liked them. They were super cute, but I didn't have enough. For that gathering, I had a little bit of people, so I just bought a little bit of sashes. But when I decorated, if you guys go watch that video, it is for a gender reveal. So I bought a few of these, and I really liked them. So I ended up buying more but I'm not sure yet if I do want to use them or not. I'm not sure if the colors will clash with my other pinks, but if it goes, I'll definitely put these on my chairs. And I also did buy some candy for the goodie bag, and I ended up going with ring pops. I thought that'd be super cute. It's a Barbie theme, so it'd be kind of cute to carry along a little ring pop. And then I did buy some Starburst, but these I got. I also just got this backdrop, and this is just a simple backdrop. I can't really show it to you guys, but it's pink, it has glitter, it's gorgeous. I'll show you guys when I put it up, because right here you're not gonna really be able to see it. Yes, I'm waiting for one more backdrop, and then I'm waiting for some curtains to decorate my patio. But at this point, if they don't arrive today, I don't think I'm going to end up using them. I'll show you guys when I'm all done setting up for the party, how everything turns out. And if you guys do like this video, make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and go check out my other Barbie themed videos in this box from Amazon. I did get a garland. I'm gonna go ahead and make this tonight. It's super cute. All the colors that I think are Barbie related, and then some little flowers for the cake. I'm not sure if I'll use them yet, and definitely some cupcake toppers, and these are Barbie. It says Barbie. There's lipstick, there's shimmery stuff in there, really nice. I'll also definitely be using a lot of the stuff that I already have from different parties, from previous parties. So when I show you guys how everything turned out, keep that in mind. If I didn't show it to you right now, it's because I didn't buy it specifically for this party. It's something that I already had. But let's go decorate this party and make it look. Also order some clothes for my kids. I thought it would be cute to kind of look like Ken dolls. So I ended up getting my 3 boys matching shirts. Well, now I have 4 boys, but the baby, I couldn't find him, like a newborn one. He's so tiny, he doesn't fit into any of them. But my son Anthony, my son Brandon, and my husband will definitely be wearing these shirts to the party. So I did order a few different sizes, and let me tell you guys, if you guys are planning on ordering these shirts, they are on Amazon, but beware guys, they run big. So my son, for example, he's a size medium, and I ended up going with large because I thought everything went small. Well, it turns out that the large fit him super big. Then I ordered him a medium, and then the medium fit him big also, and I ended up getting a small, and it fit him perfect. So just to get a little idea, they do run really big, but it does give you a warning that they do run big. I just didn't pay attention, but these are awesome. Let me show you guys how it looks tonight, the day before the party, very quickly, just so you guys can get a little glimpse of how it's gonna look tomorrow. But tomorrow, definitely there's gonna be people, so it'll look a little bit different. But we just have our Barbie box here. There will be a backdrop all right here, but not much decorations here because we're gonna have a DJ. Let me show you guys how my table setup ended up. I only have 4 tables out. Hopefully tomorrow I have about 10 tables. So right now I just set up 4 because they're gonna drop off the other 4 tomorrow because I'm renting those. But let me show you guys how cute it looks right now. This is my little setup where I'm gonna have some cupcakes, some cookies, and my daughter's name spelled wrong. But look at how cute these ended up looking. Very Barbie-like, and then that backdrop very simple. And there's lights behind it because of the fence lights, but it looks so cute. I don't know what I'm doing with that disco ball yet. That's why it's right there. But let me show you guys without that in the way. Super, super cute. And then over here, everything's flying away because it is windy right now. But that's how the tables and chairs are going to look. So cute. And then I have a little bar area. And this says, "Come on, Barbie, let's go party." I did buy this on Amazon as well. I had already taken it out of the box. That's why you guys didn't see it earlier. And then I have a little, then I have this little setup right here. And this tipped over because, like I said, it's windy, but it's super cute. So adorable. That's a little bar area. I'll have more tables. The bounce house will be there. I have my little patio set table over here. Just like a little hangout area right here. The food's gonna be under this tent. We have our drinks out already. And for now, that's pretty much it, guys. But look at that Barbie doll house. I even have light in it. It's so cute. But yeah, guys, let me know in the comments down below what do you guys think about this Barbie themed party so far. Guys, I'm gonna do a different video of the actual party. Make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Adios, amigos.